day, we should also see what happened the previous days also. So you can see this 411, this zone and this zone, these zones acted as a support for copper market, and 415, this is the high and this is the high, which acted as a resistance. So after the price opened, the market gave a drop, but exactly at this zone 411 where the market stopped the previous day, the market stopped here and it took some support. And you can very well know that the 412 is a major zone for trading. So the market found a little bit of resistance around 412 and tried to push the market down, and it was quite successful in pushing the market down till 410. But then after there is a bounce back and tested this 412, again you got a support from the average also. So the market was consolidating and it was dropping, but it was in a downtrend for a while. But the market is consolidating also. You can see that the price is not dropping drastically. The market is trying to bounce back. You can see some buying happening around 410, and after that, after a quite long consolidation, the market broke this average along with the resistance. So 412 now should, after breaking this 412, the market should act as a support for copper. So after breaking this, the market tried to went higher, but it could not sustain there. Then again it tried to fall and took the support around 412. You can see the market 412 is acting as a good support, and this 411 is also acting as a support. Once again we want to say, when we say a support 412 as a support is not a straight line. It is a zone. The support can be a zone. Support should be a zone. It is not a single straight line. The market will take resistance at a particular point. So when we say it is a support, it is always considering this total price zones. So 412, that is the reason why we ask you to to look at the chart what happened the previous day. So the previous day the market stayed here. You can see that 411, the market stayed around this zone. The next day also the exactly on the same zone. Apart from this price movement, you can very well see the market was staying in the same zone. Then you got a price movement again in the later session also. The market took the support around 411 and then it bounced back. So till which zone it reached the market? 415.3. I think 415.3. This is the zone where the price tried to bounce back, and this zone is exactly where the market tried to reach the previous day. So you can very well see that this zone is acting as a resistance. This is the reason why we ask you to see what happened the previous days. Why we normally used to see what happened the next previous days. So the market finally closed around 415.05. When we compare the opening, yesterday's opening and closing, yesterday the market opening was around 412.6 and the market closed around 415. And this closing is exactly the same zone where the market closed to the previous day. You can see the previous day the market closed around 415, and yesterday also the market closed around 415. When we compare both the days, you can see it is quite a good consolidation. The same pattern was forming. The market bounced here and went back and to 415, and then it came down, and then from here it went to 415 and closed there. The same pattern happened yesterday. So you can see that the market just repeated what happened the previous day, but the opening is going to create a difference here, because today we are expecting copper to open around this zone 415 to 414. So this is the zone where we are expecting copper to open. So yesterday you see the market opened much lower. You can see from here the market dropped and opened around the price trading zone after the opening was 412.6. So today we can expect the trading zone after the price opening to be around 414, bit higher. So what can we do now? Because the trend, you can see that this is not a clear confirmation. The market has reversed its trend, because 416 and 422 are very major resistance, but we cannot neglect the fact that 412 is providing a support for copper market. So now it is up to the traders' decision to make a clear decision, because every day we are not going to have a very good trending market. Quite often, some out of the 20 trading days we have in a month, out of that 10 days will be at a good trending market, and other than 10 days is going to be always a consolidation market like this. So every day we cannot expect a very clear trending market, but the market will stay in the trend, but you can expect this sort of consolidations. So now it is up to the client's decision to decide what he is going to do based upon his money management technique, how much equity he has in his account. So that always matters. So when the price is opening around 412, there are two things which is very clear. The 412 is acting as a good support for copper, but 416 and 422 is going to act as a resistance for copper. So what we normally suggest is that we should test the trend completely, because since the price is closed here and since the price is opening around the zone, it is not a confirmation that the price has changed, copper has changed its trend. We are very clear that whenever the price is going to close above 422, the price can reverse its trend. Unless until that, the market can stay in the downtrend. But there can be a pullback from this zone 415 to 422 till this zone. There can be a pullback if there is, since because 412 is providing some buying in the market. So normally we don't go against the trend, we completely test the trend, and our method always depends upon that. So for us to completely test the trend, we expect all the clients to have the same money management techniques which we follow in our trading. So what we expect today is that today also we are expecting market to continue its downtrend, and so we can expect the market to drop down today also. Unless until we see a closing above 422, there is no confirmation the market can go higher. So this is what we are expecting in the market today. But why we suggest that for this 412 is going to be a major support for copper, because since the market has consolidated for 2 days, we should always be careful around what is happening around 412. So in order to for the downtrend to continue, the market should break 412, and we should expect some closing below 412 for today. If you are not going to have some any closing below this 412, then we will decide what we can do after that. So today is also we are expecting some selling in copper. The purpose of this presentation is not to show what we know or what you can do in this market, but to make you think how we can trade in this market. So please clients, try to make your own trading decisions so that can help you in the future in all the time while trading. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks for watching our video. Take care. Bye.